Good morning, dear student. Today we will read The Fun They Had. It is written by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was an American author. He wrote many scientific fiction. One of them, The Fun They Had. Okay, let us start. The story we shall read is set in the future. Means the story that we are going to read is set in the future. It is set about the future schools. It is sets about the learning plan of future. When books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. When students have no books, students have no schools, that we know in this time what is school. You know very well what is school. In school there are many students who come from many areas. School is a building where teacher came and gave lecture. Okay, but in the future students have no books, students have no school, and students have no teacher to teach them. Okay. Only they have a robotic teacher, they had computer, and all books will be on the computer screen, and students would have virtual class that sets the virtual class will set on their houses. Okay, how will children study then, and what condition will children to study? The diagram below me give you some ideas. Okay, school of the future. Kinds of physical futures school. Learning through computers. Students learn through computers. They have no books. Virtual classroom. They have a room in their houses. They have no classroom in school. They have robotic teacher, not human teachers. They have moving e-test. Means the books that show on computer screen. Okay, in pairs discuss 3 things that you like best about your school. You should make a group and discuss many things that you like in your schools, and discuss about many things what is needed in schools. Okay, have you ever read words on a television screen? You know, in this time you are learning through mobile. Okay, the words step by step growing up. They will not still, they will not silent. Can you imagine a time when all books will on computers, and in coming generation you have no books, all books on computer screen, and there will no books printed on paper, and you have no books that is printed है ना on papers. Okay, you know about character of the lesson. There are 3 or 4 main character: Margie, Tommy, her mom. Margie is 11 years old, Tommy is 13 years old. Okay, let us start. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. You know, Margie every day wrote a diary, and every day events note down in her diary. On the page, he did 17 May 2157. Okay, he did means note down word meaning titled. He did means होता है titled. Okay, Margie on 17 May 2157 in her diary she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." That means this so exclamation mark. That means Margie was surprised that Tommy found a real book. Real means actual. Today Tommy found a actual book. She was surprised because she did not see any books in her life. It was a very old book. The book was very old that Tommy, Margie's friend, found in his house. Margie's grandfather once said, Margie was told by his grandfather that when he was a little boy, her grandfather's grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Margie's grandfather told Margie that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that all books, all stories were printed on paper. Okay. In his time, they have no computer, they had no printing on TV screen, on computer screen. They turned the pages. They means Margie and Tommy. Margie and Tommy turned the page of the book that Tommy found, which were yellow. That means the book was very old. and every page of the book was yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means full of creases, that means turned. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. Okay, when they started read the words on printed the books, they feel very funny because the words that printed on the book was not moving. He suppose when he read on their computer screen, the words moving here and there, but the words that printed in this book was not moving, so they feel funny, they feel very funny. And then when they turned back to the pages before, and when they turned back, it had the same word on it, and when they turned the pages, the same word was printed. It had that the word emerged. When they read it the first time, when Tommy and Margie read it first time in their lives, they feel very funny because the word was not moving here and there, and in their time when they study on their computer screen, the words on their computer screen was moving. Ghee means wow. Hurry, said Tommy. Tommy said, wow, what a waste. This is useless. Tommy said, this is useless. When you are through with the book, you just throw it when it is best, because when you will complete to read this book, after that you throw it away. I guess. Tommy guessed. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it is good for plenty more. Plenty means plenty, much more. Okay. Tommy said it is useless because when students will read it and after that they will throw away, and in our television screen there are millions books, but when we read it, we did not throw it. Our computer screen has lots of space, that comprise much more books. I would not throw it away, and we did not throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. Margie said, "That's right. What you say, that is true." She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Okay. She was 11. That means Margie was 11 years old, and in her life she never any books as Tommy had. He was 13. Tommy what? 13 years old boy. She said, "Where did you find it?" Margie asked Tommy, "Where did you find it?" "In my house." He pointed without looking. He was very busy to read the book, so he pointed, so he indicated. He found in his house because he was busy reading in the attic. That means the space below the roof, used as a storeroom. He found the book a storeroom that was founded a space just below the roof. What is it about? Margie asked Tommy. What is related topic about it? Tommy replied, "In this book titled School." Margie was scornful, showing contempt. She felt angry. Margie was very contemptful. "School," she said. "School? What is there to write about school? What is need to write about school? I hate school." Margie hated school because she did not know about school. That is situated in her house. She did not know about modern school, where in this time we are going and learning through human teachers among our colleagues. She did not know about school. She only know school is a room and there is a robotic teacher and all assignment gave them through computers. Okay, so she felt very boorious when Tommy said that this is about school. Margie was very scornful. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. But that time she hated more than, because क्यों? The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, because the robotic teacher on her computer screen, mechanical teacher means robotic teachers, was giving her test after test, regularly test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse, and she was doing very bad. Every time she got less mark, until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. And that time Margie's mother shaken her head sorrowfully. She was very sad because her daughter got less mark in geography day by day. So she felt there are some mistakes in the computer, okay, or in the Margie. At last called. At last she called county inspector. County inspector means the man who observed the computer and laptop, okay.